Dear student, today we will learn prescription. I am Dr. Inayat Bashir Pathan, Assistant Professor, Government College of Pharmacy, Aurangabad. Now we will see the learning outcomes of this session. After watching this video, the students will able to define prescription, explain parts of prescription. Prescription is defined as the prescription is a written order from a registered practitioners such as doctor, dentist or veterinary practitioners to the pharmacist for dispensing of medication. The parts of prescriptions: date, patient information, that is name and address of patient, superscription, inscription, subscription and signature. There are two types of prescriptions: the pre-compounded prescription and extemporaneous or compounded prescription. Now we'll see the pre-compounded prescriptions. The prescription for already prepared drug, that is prepared by the industry, example tablet paracetamol 500 milligram. Next is the extemporaneous compounded prescription. The pharmacist prepare the medication as per directed by physician. Now we'll see the parts of prescription. The first part is date is written to prevent the misuse of prescription, especially the ones which contain narcotic, Schedule H and controlled drugs. It is used for the refilling of prescription. Name, address, age, sex and address of patient, that is important, must be written on the prescription. Next part is superscription. The symbol which is called as a superscription. It is used as abbreviation of the Latin verb receive, means take, thou or you take. Next part is of prescription is inscription. This is the body or main part of prescription. It contains the names, dosage and quantities of the prescribed ingredients, that is medicament, example tablet paracetamol 500 milligram. Next part is subscriptions. This part of the prescription consists of direction to the pharmacist with respect to dosage form and quantity. Example tablet vitamin C 50 means dispense 50 tablets of vitamin C. Next part is